Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to earn money by using GP links and also going to share my personal experience using GP links. So without further ado, let's start. So firstly open your browser, type GP links. Here you can see gplinks.in. So now just go to create an account. So registration is very easy. Username, email, password, re-enter password and captcha. Then it will register. So I already have registered, so I just sign in, login. So this is my account. As you can see, my name. This is my total earning by 13 views. These were the links that I created by using this site. So the question is how you can create your own link. Just swipe up, click on new shorten links. I'll just paste any link, right? youtube.com shorten. You will get your link. This is your GP link copied. So now you can share it on WhatsApp, Insta with your friends, or if you are a YouTuber, you can use it on your website. So now I'm gonna talk about this site pros and cons. This site giving $5 per thousand clicks. Similar sites giving only 1.5 to $3 per thousand clicks. So why they are giving us more money? So the answer is in our con. They are showing us more ads. If you create a link by this website and you give it to your friend or your audience, they will go through at least 5 to 6 ads to get your content. So now you have created your account and created your link and even you are earning. So how will you redeem the payment to your account? So just go to payments. So now you can just add your account just like this. I have added my Paytm account. Just go to manage accounts. You can add Paytm, UPI, bank transfer, Google gift card, Amazon gift card, Bitcoin, and you can donate them, which I will not recommend. So if you earn up to $5, you can request for payment. It will directly go to your Paytm or UPI or any other account.